When the first employees of Endutec GmbH enter the production facility in the morning, they are greeted by their industrious Cobot colleague. The UR10e took over their night shift. The collaborative robot ensured that the machines were working at full capacity. We had our CNC machines and a lot of orders as well, but we only have a limited number of skilled workers, so it was not possible for us to utilize our machines at full capacity. At that point, we started to think about automation. Universal Robots made it easy for us to get started. Many systems on the market were too complicated. With Universal Robots, it was different. The employees accepted this system immediately and quickly learned how to use the robot. The UR10e has been in use at Endutec since 2018. The Cobot is part of Universal Robots' new E-Series generation, featuring improved repeatability and built-in force-torque sensing. The employee sets up the machine, but then the robot takes on the monotonous insertion work. During this time, the employees can focus on other tasks, such as reconfiguring the machines for the next job, without being interrupted every few minutes. It is great that employees see the UR robot as a colleague. When they leave work in the afternoon, they can hand over the remaining orders to the robot. For this process, Endutec has developed a customized loading station. The UR10e removes the workpieces from this station and places them in the CNC machine. We chose the UR10e because of its improved repeatability. Another advantage is the force-torque sensor, which is installed in the wrist. This helps to insert the components into the clamping devices very precisely. Since some of the very sharp-edged workpieces are handled, the work cell has various safety measures to protect the employees, such as a floor sensor. The safety features of the UR10e help to create a safe system, enabling us to enter specific safety parameters. We have used this to carry out a successful CE certification via the risk assessment. Despite the external safety measures, the loading station is space-saving and flexible. The UR can therefore easily be moved to the side within the cell, which allows manual machine loading. Universal Robots has enabled our successful entry into automation. We are currently automating a second system in order to further extend our competitive advantage. The UR10e will welcome its colleagues again tomorrow morning after a busy night.